So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad, I'm so blessed to have you people here. First and foremost is to pass my apologies, you guys. Aki sijakuwa available, like nimekuwa too busy, alafu nimekuwa sick. Mwana wewe bite. Mnaona vile side imevura walai. Sijui I've been having tonsils za side moja. Sote nimekuwa nikiongea mtu akinikola anaweza kuwa nimelala, I'm like guy hapana I'm awake ni vile si uko vocal sana. I know I had promised you guys a video on Facebook, but then I did not deliver, and again I am so sorry about that. Love is kusameheana, so I hope people have really samehead me kwa wenye nilieka waiting. My apologies. You're still my people. So today actually ni jioni ni usiku. I'm like I really have to do this, yeah, because of course I love you guys. Sawa. So leo first I'll start by clearing the questions you people asked about me, like the personal questions, yeah. So first, mimi naitwa boy wa Mwaura. Mwaura is my dad, guys. He's my dad. My dad is my father. Yeah. I also have a mom. Her name is Rachel Kamau. Sawa. Yeah, so I'm blessed. I have two parents. That aside, I am not married. So I am not married, guys, okay? But when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. I mean, whose girl's dream is it not? I think no matter tunajihifadhi hivi, si ndio? So, yeah, I am not married. Secondly, I fellowship at a church. I fellowship at a church called Church of God. I know that really rings a lot in your mind, but let me just clarify it. I'm a clear the air, yeah? I fellowship at a church called Church of God. It has no branches as for now. Iko pale Githurai 45. Okay? Then about us, this is not the Church of God that you have been asking me about. First and foremost, we take medicines. Tunakunywanga dawa. Sawa. Secondly, we can dress, yeah, like this clothes, yeah. Ukiangalia chini, this is Kaushia dark. And then this is a pepra. Yeah, this is a pepra. Yeah, so like, yeah, for us we do not have those type of limitations. Thirdly, any other question you people ask I found it funny. Yeah, tunavanga heels, you guys. Actually, heels are just my all-time wear. So isipokuwa sasa maybe sometimes nikifika job na unaenda place mbali. But heels are my all-time wear. So yes, hatuvangi sports, we wear heels. Come on, guys. And then lastly, so ilipata by shock, yes, our people stroke our girls wanasomanga. Sawa. Adi campus level, adi penye nataka kufika. If you feel like I really want to have a master's, our church, the only thing that our church does is to guide you on how to live with people differently and leave you a lot of blessings that we cannot surpass with these years. Sawa. So I hope I have cleared the air about that, because nilikuwa napata maswali mob because like, what? You guys. So that having been said, I think topic ya leo itakuwa tricky kiasi because it's very hot. hot. I don't know if you guys are ready for this. So we're going to have a part 1 and a part 2, my guys. Sawa. Because it's a really broad topic and it has a lot of questions that have a lot of answers that also have a lot of beliefs and all that. So here we go. The topic of today is courtship. Courtship in WAGITHOMOOSS. Did I say that right? Yeah, exactly that. What does courtship mean? Courtship means like, are you people allowed to date? Unaona? Mnakubalishwa boy na dem ati sasa mna date ati mkingojeanga future hata maybe hata hamna future. You get? So that is the question for today. Guys, like I said, Kwa Wagithomo, jina Wagithomo is an umbrella, yeah? And then, yeah, like Wagithomo is an umbrella. Ifuri. Naona? Then, adoreo the mara kubiruni ifuri leu, ama stroke the people that have covered na hiyo mwavuli, they're the different churches we have. We have Church of Name, we have our church, Church of God, we have One Faith, we have Bethel, we have Peniel, we have Believers, like, get, and you see in all these churches, because mostly even our songs are almost the same, yeah? So, yeah, is dating allowed? Guys, I'd really love to hear this. Na ningependa mse akisikiza ananishow. In our church, yes. Which church? Yeah, it is allowed. In our church, yes. Which church? Bethel, it is not allowed. In our church, yes. Which church? Church of God. It is actually forbidden, eh? So I'd love to hear from you. So, but this is what I know. This is what I can say as for now. Siko, like, I don't know how I'm going to approach this, but I have a whole study. Like, nasi niliwaambia nitakuwa nikiwaletea vitu zimecha changanuliwa. While research things and details, yeah? So, I'll speak on behalf maybe of our church. It is not allowed. Guys, it is not allowed. And maybe I can tell you why, yeah? My notebook. And maybe I can tell you guys why, yeah? Yeah, true. So first, when you date with a person, what is dating? Dating is not brotherhood, sisterhood relationship, guys. It is not. Dating is where like me and you are having a love relationship. Feelings are involved, my people. Feelings are involved. Feelings of a guy and feelings of a girl. You feel me? Sindio? Na like, I know when I post this video, hayenangi kwa watoi, we are all grown-ups, yeah? And we have all been there. But let me tell you one thing. I usually tell ata mtu yote nipatane neno Wagithomo, do not force yourself to not live like a human being. You are a human being, you have feelings. You are allowed to love and hate. You are allowed to like and dislike. Yeah? So like, guys, tukisema tuna date, ni like, mimi na wewe ni wapenzi. Mapenzi. Oh, mapenzi. Okay. Mimi na wewe ni wapenzi. So let's say let me take a guy called, let me just take my dad, Maura, yeah? So Maura just comes and tells me, so your time niko age maybe 19, let's start with, 18, yeah, 18 is also grown up, 18 to maybe 23, sorry. He comes and asks me, sasa, ningependa kudate, in the motive of tutoana. And then the girl is like, mimi sioni kama niko ready kuolewa saa hizi. And he's like, hata mimi sioni kama niko ready kuoa saa hizi. Ati to date 5 years. Then when the time comes, we shall do what? We shall get married. Guys, that is not courtship. That is dating. Yeah? And dating has a lot of consequences. And it also has a lot of blessings. Are you feeling me? It is not bad. And it is still not good. Depends from what angle. Okay? So like, angalia mtu yeye ametoka form 4 juzi. 18. Si ndio? Then, amepatana na jamaa, tuseme ako campus, second year. So like, you people, you see, ukishaanza kuentertain msee sana, you also entertain their flaws, their weaknesses, you understand? Na hapo nipo napatanga like, you have unnecessary bonds, unnecessary characters, my people, yeah? Because let me tell you, and like I still said this again and again and again, you are human beings, okay? And this relationship is not about hey, would you like to meet over coffee? Yeah, please come with the Bible. No way. It is not about that. Na me and you know that. Sindio? Tunajua like when you say, hey, mambo poa, utaka mkunywe chai? Yeah, that's a date. That is a date, my people. So, let me first start talking to my guys, yeah? Akikwambia, hey, nilipenda kudate. Can you think, like, kanifika? Honestly, at the age of maybe in the next 2 years, nitakuwa ni wale wa kweli. Then what are you doing? You are wasting your time. Sawa. Now maybe the church forbids dating because it knows it can lead to even sexual immoralities. Yeah? And sexual immorality is definitely not allowed. Hata wachana na mambo ya wagithomo, it is not allowed everywhere. Yeah? Because it comes with a lot of consequences. Like when you have sexual intercourse with a person, you inherit their character. You inherit even their demons, even their weaknesses. Unapata, like you are not ready, but then since you have already had sexual intercourse with the person, suddenly exam hawezi hata umalizi on time, like your brain is lagging, like unakuwa a slow human being. Maybe just the guy had that. Maybe the guy hata mwenyewe alikuwa ashaokota mambo zingine na then amekaa. For me, this is what I say. Sex is like a whole house. Yeah? Kenya utaingiza ndani iko na mahali pake pa kukaa. Mranyita. Munani? Yeah? Are you getting me? So like, but then maybe that is what I believe. Like sex is a house. When you say sex, it is a house. So let's say in that house, maybe it's a single room, yeah? Tuingiza Kamau. Tuingiza John. Tuingiza George. Tuingiza Mark. Tuingiza Martin. Tuingiza Gabriel. Tuingiza Raphael. Tuingiza Kimani, Jogona, or Kipchoge, Kipkorir. How wote? What do you think they're going to do inside there? Hawata keti chini watengeneze chama. They fight. And that is the same thing you're going to do to yourself, to your body, to your soul. Okay? You are intermingling your soul with unnecessary things, with unnecessary items. Are you guys feeling me? Are you guys feeling me? I hope I am communicating well and my point is home. Yeah? So that was my first point. That is why at first it is not allowed. Unaona? Si ati hawataki mpate mabwana. Mimi nashangaanga sana nikisikia mtu akisema ati matiriada to date nigenda tutikage ando kakedi watirere ado haya mure higo huko ore nani adhuri akani si wako na watu si harusi ikikuja wanapokea na wanabariki. Then what are you saying? Yeah, it is for your own good, my people. Sawa. And I love you so much, yeah, not to mislead you. So that having been said and done, that is the first thing. And I think umeona ile damage kubwa inaweza come. Secondly, with dating a person, apart now from intermingling yourself with sexual immoralities, is wasting your time. Like unapata mtu now hapa sasa siongee kwa madem peke yake, ni maboy na madem. Hata acha kwanza sana nichukue boy, yeah? I'm sorry. Daria hebe. Yeah, Daria na shama. Unapata mtu, a guy at the age of 23. You're not self-employed. Okay? And I'm not saying being employed is a bad thing. You're not self-employed, that is first and foremost. Secondly, you don't even have anything you can call your own. Yeah? But the only thing you want is a girl. And girls are not bad. I am telling you, having a companion is the best thing in the world. Like unaketi chini usiku, you talk. Hey, my day ilikuwa hivi. Naona mpaka kwa memes mnasema ati like mwenye hana mtu akwambia vile siku yake ilikuwa is a pathetic human being. Who are we to refuse? So like people, invest in yourselves. You're a whole project. Yeah, madam, invest on like, what do I know? Mimi ninajua kujifanyia na mikono yangu. Just in case siku moja vitu ziende mrama na nibaki hivyo bila kazi. Can I do this? Can I do that? What do I know? What does this hands hold for me? You know, what am I good at? Are you people feeling? For me, that is what I want to push you towards. Unaona, unajiangalia, unajaribu kujifikiria. Instead of usiku ikifika, you cannot even meditate on your day. You're like, hello, ako mtoto, kaya ako hivi. Me, I am not against dating again, I am not. But if you're not ready, if the time is not right, then it isn't. Sawa, my guys, we cannot ever force that. That one can never be forced. Sometimes you maybe feel as if it is right, as if that is the time, but ikiwa huo sio wakati, sawa. Yeah, so guys, I hope like we are still together in this. I mean, like, mimi napenda kwenda maharusi za watu. Yeah? I think hata places mob tukipatana nyinyi waseni kwa maharusi za watu. I love love. Yeah, I love love. I love seeing love manifesting and actually taking its own course. But if it is not the right time, I'm staying. If it is not the right time, if you feel like honestly I am not ready, nobody is rushing you. I know friends are there wanakwambia hey, paka tunashila mwanza kuita anko. Take it slow. This is about you. Relationship is not an individual endeavor. It is about two people, two hearts, two souls. It is actually a project, my guys. Sawa. Yeah? So I think we shall stop at that for today. Sawa. There is part 2, there is part 3. That was about us. Sawa. And then, guys, let us try to invest in our relationship with God. For me, that is what I have to tell you guys for today. Let us try investing our relationship with God, because a relationship with God is never in vain. And the Bible tells us, munitafute saizi napatikana, because there will come a time sitapatikana. Okay? Ecclesiastes, yeah? Like Ecclesiastics. Let me just say Ecclesiastes. Ecclesiastes inasemanga aje on your youthful days. Acha niwatafutie you guys, eh? Maneno kumiona. Of course mtaiona. Inasemanga ati miaka yenu ya ujana. Okay, I'm not so good in Swahili, but I know that is what it says. Yeah, Ecclesiastes after Proverbs. Yeah. Inasemanga aje. It's about your youthful days. It's about your youthful days. So guys, nimeipata ya. This is Ecclesiastes Bible. Ecclesiastes 12 verse 1. This is what the Bible says. Remember your Creator in your youthful days. Remember your Creator in the days of your youth, before the days of trouble come, and the years of approach, when you will say, I find no pleasure in them. Before the sun and the light and the moon and the stars grow dark, and the clouds return after rain. When the keepers of the house tremble at the strong men stoop, when the vendor cease because they are few, and those looking through the windows grow dim. I repeat, remember the Lord your Creator in your youthful days. Why? Before the days of trouble come and the years of approach, when you will say, I find no pleasure in them. Hoya igaishi agionika. Beshi mona hinya. Beshi mona igwatero withwe twena urugari. Beshi takame yanyu ehio. Beshi mudo agihota kwambata kirima na ikoroke atari na rugo mugongo kana maguru. Okay? Find the Lord, and you people, let me tell you, the Lord anapatikana. The Lord is there. He is very faithful. Sawa. I love a place called Ikoruiru. There's also another place called Heaven's Gate that I know of, a prayer center. Pia kuna ingine iko Thika. Okay? Look for the Lord. Fill your heart with those kind of things. Utakosa mpaka space ya kutusikia. So we meet again, part 2, you guys, as I tell you about relationships. Sawa? Yeah. Stay safe. Be good people. Be kind. Okay? And thank you so much, you guys, for the love that you people have been showing me. Nasikia vizuri. And I feel so blessed to have you people in my life. I don't know. Like each day I hear one subscribe, I'm like, thank you, Jesus. You know, because I understand that it is not maybe from physical, the physique. You understand? But maybe because the words of my mouth are meaningful to a person, and that is what I ask for the Lord every day. Sawa. I have told you about dating, but then my next topic will be very, very, very full, because I will tell you what to check when you're going into a relationship. Like I said, I am not against dating. Sawa. Mimi hata napenda mapenzi sana. Mimi napenda mapenzi. Mimi nikiona watu wawili wamepostia wakiwa na nguo inafanana, niko like, God. Nasikia yangu ikifika. By the way, msipoview status zangu nitawaletea inbox. By fire, by force. Sawa. So, guys, let's subscribe. Let us like, comment, tell me whatever you have to say. Tell me chachenyu mna date ama hamdate, yeah? Tell me chachenyu mna date ama hamdate. Mwenye anapatikana akidate anafanya yangu aje. You understand? Tell me like what is your point of view? You know, people have their own points of view. Like mimi naonanga tunafaa tuachiliwe because of this and this. Mimi naonanga hizo rules ziko fiti because zimetu keep at bay. Talk to me, you people. I love you so much and I love hearing from you. You understand? Me kama hamniongeleshi sometimes nakuanga lonely yawa. Yeah? So in the meantime, thank you. Like, subscribe, share widely, let people know that this is a place they can call home, this is a place they can talk to me. I don't know how you guys we will be communicating effectively. I'm still working on that. Nafikiria about kutafuta number, but then we shall see about that, yeah? Let me seek advice from wale pro. You know, I'm still coming up, yeah? Yeah, let me seek advice and then nitawaambia vile kuko, sindio? That having been said, have a nice evening, stroke morning, whatever time it is that you're watching this. Have a blessed moment of your life. Think about this carefully, yeah? Because I know kuna mpaka wazazi wenye na watch. Tell me what is your point of view, okay? For those who are commenting like ile tu ya kumshukuru, for those who have been supporting me even in the ways I do not know, so I cannot see, may the good Lord bless you and see, okay? Guys, have a nice evening. This is my next topic, yeah? Relationships. Things to note in a relationship, things to check. See, tunaenda hiva kama mawoihoi. We have prayed. Okay? So, bye guys. See you again next time. Thank you so much and God bless you so much. Now our friend and our love. You're not the only one. But guys, look at this jama. But he says I am looking. Umerageshagi kana akire Nairobi either way. Ama ako campus. Then you get a girl. And a girl needs maintenance, right? Oh, please. Mtu asianze kuniambia ati kwani wewe ni baba yake. Relax manze. For you to meet up with this girl, kwa utakuwa unamwambia, hey, kuja tuende kanisa. You'll want to have several dates with this girl, sindio? Because she is your person, like she is your companion, she is your date, yeah? Like, and because you want to prove that you are man enough, you will actually account for that. Sindio? Now dem atakuwa na call sometimes na pesa sasa. What do you do? Maybe 2,000, 1,500, 3,500, depends, yeah? Unapata spend a lot of money, a lot of time. You have even invested a lot actually on this girl, even your feelings themselves, sindio? And then at the end of the day, unapata mmeshindikana, yani mmeshindana tu. It is not nining, things are not nining the way they're supposed to be nining. You have wasted your time. Mmeachana mkiwa 2 years. In those 2 years, maybe the person ungekuwa umesave, you have done something, maybe umebuy kitu kama lapi, hata umesave kwa chama, umeenda umekesha kwa sako. You get, maybe you can even buy a bike or maybe even a car. Guys, let's start thinking big. Are you people feeling me? That is my point. Wastage of time. And time, tulikuwa tunaambianga tukiwa primary, time wasted is never recovered. And me, I used to think like, maybe we're not motivated to something, but now look at it from life perspective, yeah? Apart from education perspective, I am sorry. Ukikuyu inaanza kuingia. Like, look at it from a life perspective, yeah? Unapatanga, umetoka hapa, umeenda mahali kama hadi kama Murang'a. Then, ukose kenye liko mekupeleka huko. Let me use an example of gava, juu offices za gava sijui zinakuanga aje. Yeah? Unaenda unakosa kuhudumiwa. You are told come back tomorrow. Hiyo siku simepotelea chini. What if ungeenda kibarua yako upate hata kama ni punch, hata kama ni dhao. Yeah? What if ungeenda place hata kama you just seclude a day, ama useme let me just do this hii siku ya leo. Let me go visit Mount Horeb. Let me go visit Heaven's Gate in Nakuru. Let me go and make a prayer to God. Let me go have time with God. Let me go converse with my Father, yeah? Because conversing with God is never time wasting. Unaona, haingekuwa wasted. But that day ikishaenda hivyo imeenda, utakuwa tunasema manze na Tuesday ningejua ningefanya hivi. Unaona? So guys, a lot of time is wasted, my people. So please, if you feel like you are not ready, nobody is forcing you, my people. Hakuna mtu anakuforce, hakuna mtu anakukimbiza. Invest. Sawa sawa. Oh, just to